Díaghuit agus fáilte go dtí mo Caitheamh Aimsire uimhre 3. Okay, so Lanaraig. Task a hain. Survey an seo. So, éasca péasca iad a chópléir freagar na ceistena seo. Uimhre hain an má leat a bheith ag léamh. Cearcadóir. Is maithlum, is brálum, is evenlum. Ní mistalum, ní maithlum, is fualum, is gránlum. So, mascán an seo, a bit of a mixture here, okay? So not just is maithlum, ní maithlum, ní maithlum. Okay, an má leat a bheith ag éisteacht le ceol, ag immert sport, ag immert cluichí ríomhara, a bheith ag canna, a bheith ag íscarocht, a bheith ag ri, a bheith ag féachant an telefís. Iontach, task a hain. Araus, tá tú críochnathe le task a hain agus anis task a dó. So, an focail seo, uair. Cad is bíle uair? Uair, uairháin, once, one time. Okay, so uair is a time and uair is an hour. So, mar hampla, uair a clig, okay, is 1 hour. Gá uair a clig, 2 hours. Agus féach tá cearcail an seo. You'll see it there in front of you, tá cearcail glas an sin. Okay, so 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Uair a bháin, once. Gá uair, twice. Trí huire, 3 times. Trí huire. So, it has 2 meanings, okay? So, scríomh isteach sa chópléir. Okay, uair a bháin, gá uair, 3 huire, ceithre uaire, 5 huire, 6 huire, 7 nuaire, 8 nuaire, 9 nuaire, 10 nuaire. So, 7 go dtí a 10, tá n hyphen an sin, tá uru an sin. 5 uair, 20 times. 3 uair, 30 times. Okay? Then, féach síos, agus scríomh isteach sa chópléir, gach lá every day. Cúpla uair sa teachtain, a couple of times a day. Ó am go chéile, le rábh líon a nuas. Go rialta, or go minic, you can say there. Gach dara lá, every second day. Uair nó ró sa teachtain. Uaireanta. A hilla. Riamh. Ever or never. Okay. So scríomh isteach sa chópléir, and there's another tá féachan sin, tá ceann breise an sin, sa teachtain in the week. Okay? Now, be a kind. Céimh éid uair sa teachtain. How many times a week? A imríonn tú sport. Do you play sport? Agus an freagra, imríam, you have it, the first word is there for you already. Imríam, sport, uair a bháin sa teachtain. Once a week. Imríam sport, uair a bháin sa teachtain. Okay, so sin an sampla, do as many of those as you can. Give them all a go. Ban trial as. Okay? Task a dó, críochnathe. Task a 3. Okay, an Aimsire loireach. Okay, níl sé seo nua. Rinnemer an Aimsire loireach sa chéad bhliain, I mbliana a hain. Okay, so this is just a bit of a recap. So, seo réim nua hain, siúla a bháin, can, féach, ca, éist. So, astrig. So, féach hengadi a cuig, astrig. Caitheamh go leor airgid ad. Ca is the verb to spend or wear. So, I wear. No, I don't. I spend, because it's airgid. Caitheamh go leor airgid. I spend a lot of money. Ad. On clothes. Okay? So, déan de dhíthal. Scríomh an Gaeilge agus an béarla an seo. And freagar na ceistena. Okay, so hain dó 3 car cuig. Uimhre a hain an éistin tú le ceol go minic. an éistan tú le ceol go minic. Cad éon freagra. I listen to or I do not listen to. Okay? Éistim, ní éistim. So hain dó trí car cuig. Anawa, tasca caharanish, réimnú a dó. Okay? So déin do dhíhal an seo. So réimnú a dó. Gá hiula, cowrig, brannig, faulum, irig, gá hiula, 2 syllables. Okay? So we're just going to give these a go. See how many we can do. Astrig na habertí seo. Nach nairion tú tuirseach riamh den cartún seo? Nach nairion tú tuirseach? Cad é tuirseach? Tuirseach? Tá mé tuirseach? Tired. Nach nairion tú. So this is a little bit of a tricky one, this, okay? Nach nairion tú. It's a question. Don't you get tired? Don't you get tired of this cartoon? Okay? 1 or 2 tricky ones in there. Okay, so you're just going to see what you can do. Ivra an sin scríbh leir. Cé chomh minic is a imrion to sport. Okay, very similar to the other question that we did back here, Bronner. Okay, in these ones. Okay, so geminic, how often a imrion to sport. Imrim sport, chá ursa chochtan mar hampla. Okay, agus ivra trí sin. Ní búil sí lena cóide gach lá, ach seol sí teachtarachtaí chuthú. Ní búil sí, ní bhúlann sí, lena cóide with her friends gach lá every day, ach seolann sí. She sends teachtarachtaí messages chuthú to them. Okay, new word there's chuthú. Chuig is to a person. Okay, it's rave vocalization. Déin de íhal. Okay, task iver a cuig. Okay, so task iver a cuig bí léimh. Okay, bí léimh agus scríb blog. So by tú léimh agus fécinn ar a sampla, because in your blog is going to be very, very similar to this one here. Okay, you're going to be writing a blog. So féach ar seo, tá Colleen an seo ag caint. So she's talking like you are going to be. So mar hampla tá ceistan an seo. Cé na caitheamh Aimsire atá gut? And dúirt an Colleen, well, is bralam a bheith ag dul go dtí an fictreadan. Is bralam ceol, sport agus green grafadóracht freisin. Ifir a dó, cén caitheamh Aimsire is fear leat. Ó, níl faic níos fear ná an green grafadóracht leis an bhírinne a rá. There's nothing better than green grafadóracht photography. Leis an bhírinne a rá, to tell the truth. All right? So there's loads of things that you're going to be able to take for this, okay? Okay, so Lanroy, céim fá a deathníonn sé leat, is bralam a bheith muid faoin air. I love to be out in the air. Búlam le daoine nua an tám ar fad. I meet new people all the time. Freshen as well. Cé bheith dáma a chaithin tú air? How much time do you spend? Ní bhíonn mórán ama a gum I ri na seachtaine. I haven't much time I ri na seachtaine during the week. Tá a lán stadéir le déanamh a gum faoi láthair. I have a lot of study to do. Faoi láthair is at the moment. Ar an deire seachtaine áfach, téim amach agus tógam greengraph. On the weekend I go out and take pictures. Caitheamh cúpla uair ag siúil hart ar lár na cathrach. I spend a couple of hours, cúpla uair, walking around the city. Cá ad is atá tú a dhéanamh? How long are you doing this? Well, cheannig ma ahar camera dom. My dad bought me a camera nuair a bhogamar gehéireann when we moved to Ireland, ón teapán from Japan. Ní raibh mé ach ní malína de ish. I was only 9 years of age. Seolam greengraph chuig ma uncle agus ma auntie sa teapán. An bhíonn sé costasach. Bíonn agus ní bhíonn. It is and it isn't. Costasach, expensive. Bíonn na Camry costasach ach níl éon áras faoi sin. Ach nuair a bhíonn ceann a gut áfach, éiríonn sé níos saoire. It becomes cheaper when you have your own. Bíonn sé costasach green graph a printal. It is expensive to print. Ach is anmh a dhéanam é sin. It's rare I do that. Is féidirlim fécant orthú an ríomhara. I can watch them on the computer. Tugann sé sus dit ó bhrú an tíal agus ó stró na scoile. It gives you a sus is a break. Agus an dóileach go gahan dégóirí an umracha ama ag déanamh oberwaile. Do you think teenagers spend too much time doing homework? Ha, ní dóim mé, ach cahan siad a bhád an umracha ama ag immert cluichí ríomhara agus a lehéid. Okay, so níl sé sin éasca, guys. Okay, quite challenging, but lots and lots of new words. Tá lán folklore agus frásí agus nachana and sin. Okay, so you don't need, it doesn't have to be as complex as that. Okay, tá buacail eile an seo, bí ag léamh an sin. Okay, tá lán folklore agus gachard. Now, here we are. So, scríb an blog. What do we want in the blog? So, mar hampla, Díomh is mise Adam, is duine sportú agus ceolmhar mé, agus tá lán Caitheamh Aimsire a gum. Okay, so bí a kind fi sport, ceol, technoliacht, cóide, telefís, meán hóisialta, mar hampla Instagram agus Facebook, aclíocht, ag ri, ag siúl. Okay, an fá, the reason a bhfuil Caitheamh Aimsire tábhachtach. Ceol churm a thunig mé, cluiche sport a thunig mé. Okay, so déan do dhíal, do your best. Scríb blog sin. Okay, dúshlán breise, extra challenge. Be a kind. Cruthg iMovie, no clips, no GarageBand. Okay, so if it's just you a kind and I can hear that and you can submit that, excellent. If it's just that, and if you want to add in pictures and that, all that kind of thing, then brilliant, do that as well. Okay, so tá rogha a gut an seo. You have a choice here. Tá rogha a gut.